I'm Lynn Marie, and thank you for stopping in. I'm known for doing unboxing of subscription boxes, and today is Luxely. I look forward to getting to read your comments. Please send me anything, suggestions for boxes you would like me to see unboxed, or even tell me what some of your favorite items are in the boxes. Should we get into it? Yeah, let's. Luxely is a month-to-month subscription box. I was charged $29.33 on my card for this. So let's get into it. All right, we open it up and we see a welcome card and tissue paper. Let's see. Enclosed is your Luxely mystery box. Well, this is my first mystery box. Yay, first one. Thank you so much for your order. Inside you'll find an assortment of items from past boxes. Since each box is different, I don't include a product information card, but if you have any questions or comments, please email me. Well, I'm sure we won't have any trouble, and these should be interesting items. Okay, I open it up. First thing I see is all the squiggles. All this lovely stuff. Okay. Oh, wonderful. Facial cleansing brush. These have been all over YouTube. These are fantastic. It's charcoal infused. I use a Clairsonic to wash my face, so I think I'll be donating this or putting it in a giveaway box. Second item. Da, 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 da. Oh, this is a mask. It's for sensitive skin. That's brilliant. I didn't know they made ones just for sensitive skin. And this is, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Neo Bay? Maybe? But this is a great size. Gosh, you'd get at least 10 masks out of this box. Let's see if I can smell it or if it's sealed up. It probably wouldn't have any fragrance because fragrance can be irritating to people who have sensitive skin. Okay, move along. Next item. Oh, this is Sebastian hairspray. I use this product. I really enjoy it. I color my hair, and so it's pretty fragile. So when I put hairspray in my hair, and when I go to brush it out, I have to be very careful because this is their brushable hairspray. And I use this size for traveling all the time. My husband and I, we travel quite a bit. And like I mentioned in my intro video, we travel here in the States quite a bit. And when travel is up again, we'll go back overseas. Great travel size. Okay, next item. Oh, another travel size. These are a nice size for traveling. And even if it's not for travel, to get to really know if you like a product, this is a nice size so that you can use it a few times. So this is the Joico Moisture Recovery. Yep. And this is the conditioner. And I bet there is a shampoo in here. Let me look. Oh, more of that. Yep. There we go. So we've got both shampoo and the conditioner. This I really like. I've never tried anything from the Joico line. I like the opportunity to try this. Luxely Beauty Box. So far, I'm impressed. All right. Oh, and lip balm. Everybody is familiar with Burt's Bees. They're a great company. And this looks to be, it's beeswax lip balm. It is vitamin E and peppermint. That should be great. All right, here we go. One more. Oh no, there's two more. And this is a serum. This serum has marula, blackcurrant, and carrot in it. Let's see if it has a fragrance. This is a fantastic size. Wow. Nice clean packaging, not fussy. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Has a little citrus scent. This is something I think I will also put in a box for a giveaway box. Great serum though. Item number 6. Wow, speaking of traveling, look at this. Is this not just the best thing? Can you tell I have travel on the brain? We've been stuck home for all too long. I think all of us have been stuck home too long. So this is a 6-piece manicure set. Let's open it. I absolutely love this pattern. Okay, push the button. There we go. So this is what we all have in here. That's a full kit. You can do a full-on manicure with this. Wow. This is, and I really like that they're all metal pieces. You can sanitize them. That way, if your sister or your mom want to borrow them, you can sanitize them in between use. There's no plastic to worry about. This is brilliant. Down below, please let me know which of these 2 boxes were your favorite. And then another comment, let me know which of these items you would want to try. So we've got the Luxely box. Let's try another. Here it is. We're gonna try, this is a new box to me again. This is the scent box. And this is how it came packaged to me. All right, scent box. So let's open this, let's get into it. All right, we open this up. And what do we have here? Okay, I think this is just my invoice, yep. Yep. And then there is a card here saying Escada on one side and then Chrome on the other, and all the different scent notes. Scentbox is a monthly service that you end up getting just 1 fragrance a month. I open the box. It's quite beautiful packaging. I open it up and there is a card in here. And let's see. Oh, wow, I didn't know this. Free exchanges. In case you don't like the way it smells, you get free exchanges. Now that's interesting. And of course, a thank you card. And then there's a coupon code, and I will post it below. It's for 15% off. The code is THANKS15, but I will post that below. All right, so when we open it, here's what we see. This is a beautiful ice pink color. Okay, yep, and it pops up. And let's see, I'm betting this is the Escada Miami Blossom. Some of the notes in it are apple, grapefruit, mint, and sea notes. This is the scent of the month. They also have men's version scent of the month. So let me give this a try. Oh, that I don't know if it's the grapefruit. I don't know if it's the grapefruit or the apple. It smells delicious. Absolutely delicious. This is well made, but it slides right up and down so it fits right in your purse, or you just leave them sit out on your counter because they're really beautiful. And I don't know if you see it, but on the side it also says scent box. So let's take this out and I'm going to show you. So this pulls right out. And this is the amount that you have to try. It's a good amount. And it's a wonderful way to get to try a fragrance before you go and invest in the large bottle. Or sometimes you like a lot of different fragrances, which I do. And I like to get a different fragrance every month, or I can order more. But I like having a wide variety. This is fantastic. I wish you could smell this. Well, subscribe with 15% off and you can get the scent of the month, which is Escada Miami Blossom. Well, these are 2 completely different boxes, both being lifestyle, One being a fragrance, the other being shampoos, conditioners. Let me know which item you like the most. And I might be putting a few more of these pieces in a surprise giveaway box. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't, what you thought was a good value. And again, if there's a box out there that you would love to see me try, post it down below in the comments. Let me know. I read all comments, and I look forward to hearing from you. And thank you so much for spending time with me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That lets me know how I'm doing. Thanks again, and take care.